Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn conjugation of Arabic verb ra'a. Ra'a means to see. There are 14 derivation of verb ra'a. First, I will suggest you 3 tips of good learning. First, listen carefully. Second, repeating. Third, memorizing. Let's move further and learn conjugation of Arabic verb ra'a. The first word, huwa ra'a. Huwa is a pronoun. Huwa means he. Ra'a means saw. Huwa ra'a. He saw. This is past tense. Huwa ra'a. He saw. Next word is hiya ra'at. Hiya is pronoun. Hiya means she. Ra'at means saw. Hiya ra'at. She saw. Hiya ra'at. She saw. Hiya ra'at. She saw. In Arabic language, different words are spoken for male and female. Remember this, in Arabic language, there is a other word for two male person and there is another word for two female person. There is a verb for two male person. Huma ra'a. Huma means they. Huma is a pronoun. It is spoken for two male person. Huma ra'aya. Huma ra'aya means they saw. Huma ra'aya means they saw. Huma ra'aya means both of them saw. Or in other words, both male person saw. For female, third person pronoun huma. Huma is spoken for male and female. This word is similar for male and female, but verb is not similar. Pronoun is similar. Huma pronoun is similar for male and female, but verb is not similar. Verb is different. Ra'ata. Ra'ata is spoken for female gender. Ra'ata is a verb. It is spoken for two female gender. Ra'ata, it is spoken for two female gender. Huma ra'ata means they two women saw. Huma ra'ata, they two women saw. Huma ra'ata, they two women saw. Whom is a pronoun. Whom is spoken for three person and more than three person. Whom is a plural form of pronoun. Whom means they. Whom ra'au. Ra'au means saw. Whom ra'au, they saw. Whom ra'au, they saw. Remember this. Whom is always spoken for male gender. Male and plural form. Plural form means three person and more than three person. Whom ra'au, they saw. Hunna ra'aina. Hunna ra'aina. Hunna ra'aina means they female saw. Hunna is a pronoun. Word hunna is spoken for three women and more than three women. It is spoken for female gender. Hunna ra'aina. Ra'aina is a verb. It is spoken for female gender and is spoken in plural form for three women and more than three women. Anta ra'aita. Anta means you. It is spoken for singular person and male person. Anta ra'aita means you saw. Anta ra'aita means you saw. Anta ra'aita means you saw. Ra'aita is a verb. It is spoken for singular and second person pronoun. You. Anta ra'aita, you saw. In the word ra'aita, anta is hidden. You can say ra'aita. Ra'aita means you saw. Ra'aita means you saw. Anti ra'aiti. Anti ra'aiti. Anti ra'aiti. Anti is a pronoun. It is spoken for female gender, female and singular gender. Anti is spoken for female and singular gender. Ra'aiti means you saw. Ra'aiti is a verb. It is spoken for singular and female gender. Anti is hidden in the word Raiti. You can say Raiti. Raiti means you saw. Raiti is always spoken for female gender. Remember this. Raiti is always spoken for female gender. Raiti, you saw. Antuma ra'aituma. Antuma ra'aituma. Antuma ra'aituma. Antuma means both are you. Antuma is spoken for two male person. It is second person pronoun for two person. Antuma is a pronoun. Raituma is a verb. Raituma is a verb. Antuma is hidden in the verb raituma. You can say raituma. Raituma means you saw. It is spoken for two person. Raituma, two person, both of you saw. Raituma means both of you saw. Antuma raituma. Antuma raituma. Antuma raituma. This word is similar for male and female. Antuma raituma. It is spoken for male and female. Two male and two female. Second word pronoun. Both of you. It is spoken both of you for male and female. Antuma raituma. You saw. Antum raitum. Antum raitum. Antum raitum means you saw. Antum is a pronoun. It is spoken for plural form for three person and more than three person. Raitum is a verb. It is spoken for plural form for three person and more than three person. Antum raitum. You, all of you saw. Antum raitum means all of you saw. It is spoken for three person, three male person and more than three person. Antum is hidden in raitum. You can say raitum. Raitum means all of you saw. Antunna raitunna. Antunna means you. Antunna is spoken for plural and female gender. Antunna is spoken for three women and more than three women. It is spoken for plural and female gender. Antunna raitunna. Antunna raitunna means you saw. Raitunna means you saw. Antunna is hidden in raitunna. You can say raitunna. Raitunna means you saw. Remember this. Raitunna is spoken for female gender and plural gender. More than three women or three women. Ana raitu. Ana raitu means I saw. Ana means I. Raitu means saw. Ana raitu, I saw. It is spoken for female and male, both gender. Remember this. It is spoken for singular person, male and female. It is common for male and female. Raitu. Ana raitu. You can say raitu. Raitu means I saw. Ana is hidden in raitu. Past tense. Tu is symbol of ana. In past tense, tu is symbol of ana. Nahanu ra'ayna. Nahanu ra'ayna. Nahanu means we. Ra'ayna means saw. Nahanu ra'ayna. We saw. Nahanu ra'ayna is spoken for plural, male and female. Nahanu is first person pronoun. Nahanu is used for plural, for male and female. Nahanu ra'ayna. Nahanu is hidden in ra'ayna. You can say ra'ayna. Ra'ayna means we saw. Now we will repeat what we have learned. Huwa ra. He saw. Huwa means he. Huwa is a singular third person pronoun. Hiya ra'at. She saw. Hiya means she. Hiya is a singular third person pronoun. Hiya means she. Huma raya. Huma raya means they saw. Huma is spoken for two person. Raya is spoken for two person. Huma rata. Huma rata means Huma rata is spoken for two women. Huma rata is spoken for two women. Rao means they saw. It is spoken for plural third person pronoun. Hunna raina. They saw. It is spoken for female. Hum is spoken for male. Hunna is spoken for female. Anta raita is spoken for male gender. Anti raiti is spoken for female gender. Second person pronoun. Anta means you. Anta is used for male. Anti is used for female. Antuma raituma. Antuma raituma. These phrases are common for male or female. Antuma raituma is spoken for both male and female. Remember this. Antuma raituma is spoken for two person. Two person and second person pronoun. Antum raitum is spoken for male gender and for second person and plural pronoun. Antunna raitunna is spoken for female. Ana raitu, I saw. It is spoken for female gender and male gender. Nahnu raina, we saw. It is spoken for female gender and male gender and for plural first person pronoun. I hope you would learn. If you like this video, please write me in comment box. If you dislike this video, please write me in comment box. I am waiting for your comments.